Guys, today I'm gonna show you my house. So here's my house, not all of my house because it's pretty small, duh. So I'm gonna show you, but not that well. So here's my bedroom. Oh, I forgot. Here's the living room. Here's the living room. I can't really show you it, but that's fine. And here's the dining room. Cool, right? So now I'll show you the office. Here it is. Here's the computer. Things are like that. Here it is. I can see pops. There's a TV for no reason. I know why. And yeah. And over there, yeah, it's just, I can't show you it now. It's just fine, I hope it is. So it's just a short video. So bye.